Hi, we're Norm Denmark, and today we are introducing the Norm 1, a smartwatch that's not a smartwatch. Built out of the Danish design tradition, the Norm 1 is a modern and minimalistic watch that fits all situations. We have always wondered why most smartwatches are designed only for sport or tech enthusiasts. We wanted to build a smartwatch for everyone with a stunning design and beautiful materials. Simply said, we wanted a watch with all the smart functions, but in a body that reflects the Nordic values and design tradition. The Norm 1 feels and acts like a classic timepiece. Only when activated or receiving notifications, the completely hidden OLED display will light up, giving you the information needed, revealing the tech behind the surface. And the beauty is that you are in full control. You decide what notifications and messages should be available on the watch. You can even turn off all smart functions using it as a classic timepiece. Made from 316L stainless steel and sapphire glass, we chose the best materials available. We also wanted a watch that not only gave you notifications from your smartphone, but also allowed you to read full messages on the OLED display. Often we found ourselves in situations where a message would interfere in our interaction with our kids, partner, or friends. As soon as we would check our phone for a call, we would be drawn into other functions on the display, leaving the real world behind. With the Norm 1, we have been able to leave the phone in our bag or pocket while quickly screening calls or checking if a message would be important, giving us more face-to-face quality time with the people we care about. The custom design strap uses a combination of fabric material and rubber. This means that it can easily be used for sporting activities, where the rubber will protect against sweat and dust while still remaining its minimalistic and contemporary look. The Norm 1 has been fitted with an advanced heart rate, steps and calorie tracker to monitor your whole body. It will also let you track your sleep for better understanding of your health and body. Using the app, you will be able to get instant access to all your data and set up the OLED screen as you desire. So come join our campaign so we can get the Norm 1 out into the world and truly create a modern timepiece. Thank you for your support.